at the Walmart in Fairbanks last night. Don't do it. Just don't do it. It is so noisy. Oh my gosh. I was not a happy camper last night. Home Depot is across the street and Fred Meyer's is around the corner. We're about to go to Costco and get some things that we need. Well, we're here at Costco. Bobby likes his chips, so those go in the truck. We've got these little crackers here. We've never tried those, but we'll see. These Crunch Bars, if y'all have never tried those are fantastic. We're having hot dogs for Memorial Day weekend. We got some extra paper plates, got vitamins, more vitamins over there, some nuts. Oh gosh, y'all. And orange chicken. And the 4-pack with 2 ketchups and a relish and a mustard. This was only $6 for that whole thing. The deal guys told us to get that. Woohoo! Oh, let's see. And we got a box of crackers. And these. Oh my gosh, those are fantastic. I know they're not good for you, but hey, they're great. So yeah, a $300 haul, y'all. Woo, woo. But we'll be set for a couple of weeks or so. More than a couple of weeks, probably about a month, actually. Going into the wilderness, you gotta shop at Costco to get your stuff. Now, out to the wilderness we go. Y'all have to forgive us. We're hitting some mosquitoes. What a pretty drive. We're going south on what road is this?
Highway 3. Parkway Highway.
Parkway Highway. Out of Fairbanks.
To Denali.
To Denali. Look at all these trees blooming out. Wow.
It happened quick.
It did.
Once we dropped in elevation, down here at about 1,000 feet, it sped up. Like the trees are really bloomed out.
Yeah. Here's a parking area.
1,500 feet. Well, we don't know about these parking areas. You'll have to forgive us because some of them you do not want to pull your rig in there.
No, too small.
And they don't say if they're RV friendly or not. There's no sign, so I don't know. That's it.
Why would it be on that side? The view is on this other side.
I don't know, honey.
Crazy.
This railroad track, screw that shit. Can't get in there.
Oh no.
That's a tricky one there. Not too bad. I think it's all good. I don't see no flooding here, Daryl. Looks pretty reasonable.
Half a mile. We're going to turn. And this town is called what?
Neenan.
And we're going to camp at the boat launch, right?
Well, we're hoping to. We don't know. Is this it here?
We don't know where we're going. It's right up here.
I think it's a little further up here, isn't it?
Point 2. Like a
4, we got 9th Street right here.
Is this it?
Yep, I think this is it. Alright, we're gonna go check this out, y'all. This is supposed to be down here at the boat launch, but we're gonna check it out first because it could be flooded. And we're crossing a railroad track. We'll give y'all a little secret. Usually when you have a railroad track, a main highway, there's water nearby.
Works.
Yep. That's that's where we always find our free camping.
Well, not every time, but
But 99% of the time, it says parking pay station.
this wasn't on my thing.
This is what it shows on mine.
Well, shit.
Well,
That's messed up.
it is. We didn't really want to park in here, did we?
Well, I don't know. Yeah.
Day use $10. 7-day use $30. Well, we don't want to do this. We want free. Free. We're gonna go look for free.
This is pay here.
That other place did not work out. So we're looking at the next one. It's just around the corner. And that's what Mr. Childers has on his navigator.
Well, I'll put the quarters
See it.
in. Bumpy.
Yeah, just a little bit. Woo! Lordy. Alright. Let's go find our spot. It's closed down. We gotta go to the next spot. This is what happens.
Yeah, you gotta update the information.
Yep.
Yeah, they got the gate locked. I guess they've shut this down and put that new facility over there and make some money.
Yeah.
Yeah, the reviews were last September, so who knows, they might have changed things up.
That's it.
Well, we can put in the notes for nobody try to camp here because it's all closed down. I'm gonna pull up here and back around to where there's a car down here, but I can back around and turn around.
So Techno's
You want me to wait here?
10-4.
Techno's gonna update the Overlander.
I'm gonna try to. No guarantees. You wanna get out and go back there and watch?
Y'all, this road is a little rough too.
Hey, this ain't nothing compared to what that other road was.
Not as much snow on the mountains or on the side of the roads down here. No snow on the side of the roads down here.
We're only 450 feet above sea level here.
Yeah.
It's a lot warmer down here. It's 66 degrees out there now.
Woohoo!
Nice.
We think we're in prime moose country.
Yeah, you got water all around you. Bogs. Quite a bit.
We're hoping to find some moose for y'all. The search is on.
Go ahead and go in there, Daryl. That's it. And we can back out of here if we got to. Let me put my seatbelt on. We know that thing's gonna drive us crazy.
Let me know if you see something that ain't supposed to be right once you get up there.
10-4. It's a pretty good place because people come along here and fill the holes with rocks themselves.
Whoa.
Little deep hole there.
is a little rough.
Since it's rained, I mean, it's a nice little road. Some of the holes are filled by the locals, I guess. This looks like the end of it here. We've been here just a couple days. It was a little damp when we pulled into this spot. We had to move a few limbs and stuff to get ourselves situated in here. But we're waterfront, and we have the fire pit, and things are just not the biggest wildlife here, but we have seen lots of different kinds of ducks. And today we were sitting there, and Bentley started barking, and we were all grabbing the bear spray, not knowing what was going on. So think about it, because they're facing the water as well. And we got up and looked around and looked out into the water. Daryl's sitting there. It was a beaver going by. So there are beaver here around the lake. We thought that some of the trees, the way they were cut, they looked like beaver would, the small saplings is what they like, just for food storage. I wasn't paying that much attention, but sure enough, there's beaver in probably all these ponds around here. So it's cute to see a beaver. Well, one thing about it, you got ducks and beaver, you got good water, because that's just one of the first things you see. But we have seen plenty of moose scat. We haven't seen no moose, but I'm sure they're here. But what an environment for moose. We went for a walk today and walked around by the edge, and it looks like the moose are definitely here. So that's about it.
You like our spot?
It's great. It's 5-star.
There you go. And it's free.
Free. We're pretty sure this is forest land.